Hello, welcome back to Health Nature Homeopathy. This is Dr. Mohammad Shamnish with Dr. Swaliha Shabnam, consultant homeopaths at Arha Health Group. Friends, today I am going to tell the interpretations and normal values of lipid profile. Total cholesterol test is a measure of the total amount of LDL, HDL and about 1/5 the level of the triglycerides in the blood. The cost is very low when doing only total cholesterol. But the problem is that in some cases, even when LDL is too high and HDL is too low, total cholesterol value shows back to the normal, which may be misleading, and this may not help us to control our symptoms properly. That's why doctors suggest lipid profile, because it separately measures LDL, HDL, triglycerides and total cholesterol in the blood. The lipid profile should be tested after 12 hours of fasting. This is because just after eating, the level of triglycerides in the blood changes greatly. The ideal level of total cholesterol is less than 200. 200 to 239 is considered as border risk. Many people being to show symptoms at this level, especially women. Those who reach this level should control their diet and include exercise. However, those who have symptoms at this level should take medicines. People over 240 should take medications and diet control. When your cholesterol come back to normal, gradually taper the medications. But often the problem of considering only total cholesterol is that in some cases where the level of HDL or good cholesterol is very low and the level of LDL or bad cholesterol is high, the total cholesterol sometimes fall within normal limits. LDL's job is to transport cholesterol from the liver to the organs and nerves through the arteries. Therefore, it is important to understand that high level of LDL in the test indicates that more fat enters our body. That is why it is called bad cholesterol. Normally, LDL should be below 100. It can be said that a level of 100 to 129 is not a big problem. When it reaches 130 to 150, people should be advised to start exercising and diet control. People with severe symptoms should take medicines if it is difficult to control. LDL above 160 is considered as high risk. LDL is usually increased by eating meat and foods high in fat. In people like vegetarians, liver synthesizes LDL with the help of triglycerides. In addition to cholesterol, triglycerides are another type of fat. Triglycerides below 150 is considered as normal. A value from 150 to 199 require fair diet control and exercise. Those who do not have control and those who show symptoms must take medicines. 200 to 499 is interpreted as border risk and 500 above as high risk. All of those require a lot of care. The risk of complications such as heart attack, stroke and cancer is very high. VLDL is a lipoprotein vehicle that carries triglycerides. The level of VLDL also indicates the concentration of triglycerides themselves. Its normal level should be below 40. HDL is a lipoprotein vehicle that carries our body fat back from the organs to the liver. This is called good cholesterol because it helps to use as well as expel fat. Men usually require HDL level above 40 and women need above 50. Level below 40 indicates less expenditure of body fat. Cholesterol ratio is the amount of total cholesterol divided by HDL. That is a measure of how much HDL the body have to expel cholesterol entering our body. It is recommended to be below 3.5. Cholesterol ratio is considered to be a very important value for determining the chances of disease such as heart attack and stroke. The triglycerides HDL ratio is the ratio of triglycerides divided by HDL. Its normal value is below 4. Increased triglycerides HDL ratio indicates insulin resistance in the body. Non-HDL cholesterol is a measure of amount of HDL that can be obtained by subtracting HDL from total cholesterol. Some labs and hospitals consider this value also. It is normal below 130. Cholesterol in our body is also found to be high in some natural conditions. Let us see what such biological variations are. Tests should be performed only after 12 hours of fasting to avoid incorrect values as a result of fluctuations from food taken. Triglycerides and cholesterol level will be high in unusually eaten days, so it's important to take tests only on regularly eating days. Cholesterol levels go down after exercise, so it's not ideal to take tests immediately after exercise. Cholesterol increases with age. Women must have comparatively less cholesterol than men, exception in children and women above 55 years. Women usually show symptoms immediately with mild rise in values than men. Cholesterol levels will be slightly higher in the middays of menstrual cycle. And finally, whom to take lipid profile test? First one, those who suffer any of the symptoms of higher cholesterol. The second one, who have familial tendency for heart and kidney disease or stroke. And the third one, men above 45 and women above 50 years even if not having any of the primary symptoms. And the fourth one, those who suffer from diabetes, thyroid issues, hormonal imbalance like PCOD, etc. And the fifth one, those above 20 years who does not include any physical activity in their lifestyle. Next video in cholesterol series is how to manage high cholesterol and foods to be taken and to avoiding high cholesterol.